How to remove a watermark in Word that won't go away. So here on my screen you can see there is an top secret watermark on my Word. So there is no way I can remove it, but today we are here with a step-by-step guide on how to remove your watermark. Firstly, all you have to do is go to the ribbon option available on the top, and from the ribbon tap on the design tab. Now, once you tap on the design, simply look for the watermark option available there. Click on the watermark. After you click on the watermark, you can see no watermark option available there or remove watermark option available. Simply tap on it and tap on the OK to confirm it. And here you can see the watermark is gone. If this does not work, the watermark might not be inserted using the standard watermark tool. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.